Tell me what is Snowflake, and one more time, what is Snowflake? Anyone any idea? Snowflake? Tell me, it's a cloud-based data warehouse. Mainly for what? It's mainly for OLAP, that is online analytical processing. Okay. Tell me what is about OLTP? Tell me what is OLTP? Anyone? OLTP, abbreviation for OLTP?
So online transactional processing.
Online transaction processing. Okay. So transaction processing. Okay. This is where we can store. This is stored in database. This is database. Okay. And before that, tell me what are the data sources we are having? Data sources. It can be Oracle, SQL Server, Postgre, Teradata. Okay. See MySQL. These are. Before that, tell me Snowflake is for what? Snowflake is for data migration project. Tell me what exactly data migration project will do? Anyone? Yes, anyone? What exactly data migration project will do?
Basically, movement of data from one source to another source.
So movement of data source from one source to one data source to other. Here other is nothing but here Snowflake. Okay, say we are moving the data from data from different sources, like it can be Oracle, SQL Server, Postgre, Teradata, okay, or Netezza. There are so many things are there. Netezza, SAP HANA, okay. Or next one is that what? SAP HANA or so Green Plum, okay, say Amazon Redshift. Okay, so because of all this data, they're trying to move data from on-premises to Snowflake. Now tell me why company are moving to Snowflake? Why the data they're moving to Snowflake? Reason? Reason? Why they're moving, any purpose? Okay, already it's working fine. Then why companies are moving to on-premises to Snowflake or cloud to Snowflake? Anyone? Reason?
Cost cutting.
Okay, cost cutting. Then cost cutting, only cost cutting. So say performance. Then huge volumes. Okay, because of all these reasons, so companies are moving from on-premises to Snowflake. So this is fine. Now tell me how can I communicate with the Snowflake? Tell me how can I communicate the Snowflake or any database or data warehouse with the help of what? With the help of a language called what? By using SQL. That is structured query language. If you want to communicate database or data warehouse, compulsory require a language that is called as SQL. SQL is a structured query language. It is used to communicate with the Snowflake. It will act as a bridge between user and database or Snowflake. Okay, it will simply act as a bridge. Okay. Now again what? Again these are divided into what? These are divided into SQL statements. Tell me SQL statements or SQL
DDL, DML.
SQL languages or SQL commands are called as basic building blocks of SQL. Okay, see SQL statements. So see, if you want to communicate, we have SQL statements, languages, commands, or basic building blocks of SQL. If you don't know, these are basic. So if you know this thing, almost 30% of SQL is completed. Tell me again, these are divided into what? What are the commands we're having?
DDL.
Okay, so DDL, then
DML.
Okay, so DML, then TCL,
DCL.
DRL, and DCL. Okay, these are important. So DDL means data definition language. Okay, so same thing. DML is a data manipulation language. Okay, same thing. Transaction control language. Okay, so language. Same thing. DRL or DK is a data. Tell me DRL.
Retrieval.
So retrieval or query language. Some in a similar fashion, DCL is a data control language. Okay, so okay, so these are important. Okay, again, these are divided into what? These are divided into DL is divided into. Tell me important comments.
Create.
Create. Then
Alter.
Then
Drop.
Drop. Okay, so drop. Okay, same thing. What about DMLs we're having?
Update.
No, first insert. No, insert. Without insert, how can
Insert.
update? Insert. Okay,
Insert.
then
Update.
update.
Delete.
Then delete. Only three. Yeah? That's how many. Okay, see, merge is there. And truncate is also DML in Snowflake. Okay. And what about TCL? TCL, what are the commands in TCL?
Rollback.
Rollback and
Commit and rollback. Okay. What about DRL?
Select statement.
Select. Is it data retrieval or data queries? I want to go for select statement. Then permissions. Who will be the permissions? By which command? Grant and revoke. Okay, see one more time. So these are important. Okay, so that's why it's called as, without this we can't able to insert. Say DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, and DCL. Okay, this is fine. Now same thing. Now what happened? Just a overview like what we discussed last week. Just I'm trying to give high level. Okay. Now what happened? Now I want to create a, first we should create one table. Syntax is that word. So create table name. Suppose like table name, bracket open, bracket close, column 1 and data type. Same thing, column 2 and data type. Now tell me what is your data type called as? Data type called as? Tell me data type is nothing but what? Which type of data we are trying to set. Can be number, integer. So okay, date, then what? Varchar, char we can able to do. Okay. So whenever learning, go for simple use case. So create table name, employee details underscore t, bracket open, bracket close. Okay, see, employee ID, it's a what data type? It's a number data type. Okay, same thing, employee name, it's a varchar. City, it's also varchar. Same thing now, date of birth, it's a date data type. Okay, data type. Okay, now so it's a high level, just we are trying to. Now tell me, now I have created this table. Now tell me this is created. Now what this is for writing purpose only. Now what happened? I want to create a table in Snowflake. Now how can I create a create a table in Snowflake? First we should require what? We should require one Snowflake
Database and schema.
First Snowflake
Account.
should be there. How can I log into Snowflake? By using user ID and password. Okay. Or we can log in by SSO or by using MFA. Single sign-on or multi-factor authentication. Okay. See, now Snowflake. Tell me, for Snowflake, do we need to install any software or any hardware?
No need.
No need, because say what model? It's a what model?
SAS.
SAS. Software as a service. Okay, see, no need to install any software or any hardware. Okay, just we should create account, we should use them. Okay, so I'm muting. Okay, same. Okay, now so go back here. So I will provide the link how to create all these things. Okay, so assume like, so this is one Snowflake account. Okay, so Snowflake account. Now what happened? Now try to create the table. Now see the same thing. Now see what happened. Now try to now to throw error. Reason is that see, cannot perform create table. This session doesn't have a current database or use database or use a fully qualified. What exactly it's showing? Tell me. If you want to create a table compulsory, what we should require? What we should require? One.
We need to create a database.
Database and schema
And
should
schema.
be. Okay. So before that, tell me. Before that, after completion of this course, what is the role? Our role is what? Our role is what?
Snowflake
developer, or we call as Snowflake data engineer. So we'll work on data engineer. Okay, this is fine. Now same thing. Now what are the team members will have in team members? Snowflake developers. It will be like 3 to 4 guys. Depends on the project. Okay, same thing. Tell me team members. Snowflake admin. Snowflake. Tell me architect. Who will do the testing? Testing will do the QA team. Who will do the requirement? Requirement. So BA. So business analyst. Okay. See, same thing. Now Scrum Master. Okay. Some Scrum Master, team lead. Okay. So project manager. These things you should aware. Okay. Project manager. Okay. And before that, tell me, our day start with which type of call? Daily. What is the call?
Scrum call.
Scrum call or status call. Okay. Or stand up call. Okay. So these things. Okay. Stand up call. Okay. Suppose a required. Before that, tell me our all will be given to which tool? Which ticketing tool mostly use?
Jira.
Service
Jira.
now, Jira.
Jira, ServiceNow, Monday.com. There's so many things are there. So this is okay. So ticketing tool. Now this is fine. Same thing. Now go back here. Now I want to create. So see, suppose like one ticket is assigned. I want to create one table. So this is fine. Now question is that what this is fine. Now I want to create. So directly I'll create in the production database. First we should create in where? Databases. Where you should create?
Development data.
So in the development database, okay, see, first we should have development database, then test database, then UAT. What is UAT? User acceptance testing. So sandbox, then other than that what? Sandbox, then so pre-production and production. So these are the environmental levels. So development database, testing, UAT, sandbox, pre-prod and prod. Okay, production. Clear so far? So this is fine. Now go back here. Now what I said, first we should have one database. Syntax is that what? So create. So remember, for every object we should know the syntax. Create database name. So we like Praveen development database. See, database has been created. Now same thing. Now we should create what? Our own schema. Tell me in real time who will create this database as schemas? We'll get a Snowflake developer. We'll create in real time database. We will create databases and schemas. So Snowflake admin will create. Okay. Now tell me, I want to get this database name schema name with the help of the query. How can I create? By using what? How can I get?
Select current database.
Select the current database. So current database. Same thing, current schema. Okay, so these are the basic things you should aware. Okay, so database name, schema name, or else like, so remove this value. So click refresh this thing. First, you should be comfortable with this here. So we can able to put, so suppose like, okay, see, Snowflake overview. Okay, see, suppose like, so day 1 to day 7. Okay. Okay, see now what happened. So Praveen, so go back here. Development database. So development schema like this. Okay, now in this database, in this schema, I want to see list of tables. Tell me, how can I see list of tables? What is the keyword you should use? List of tables. Show tables. Show tables. You see, as of now, there are no records. Okay, now try to. So I'm using. So we can able to put the here, and we can able to use, or we can able to use what is shortcut key? Control plus enter. Okay, so put the cursor here. Make use of control enter. You see. Show tables. Now tell me, second time when I execute same thing, it will work. Second time, if I execute the same statement, it will work or not?
It will say it's existing
Table
already exists.
So in the sense like what? Okay, we should not give. So in database, okay, in database, in the sense like what? One name should be given for only one object. See,
One time.
object does not exist. Okay, so this is important. So in the sense like what? One name should be given for only one object. Okay, show tables, it will be okay. Now tell me, how can I see this data?
Select star.
Okay, see, so this is DDL, data definition, that is create statement. Now I want to see this data. How can I see? By using select statement. Select star from table name. Okay, see table. It is, so before that, tell me what is star here? Star is nothing but what? Name of the star? Projection operator. What exactly it will do? Projection operator?
All fields.
Select all the columns.
It will project all the columns in this employee table. As of now, there is no records. Put the semicolon for this, so makes of control enter. See, no record. Now tell me, I want to add in, suppose like one more Jira ticket has been assigned. I want to add department ID to the existing table. How can I add by which concept? Modification. Okay, we should go for alter statement. Alter table name. Okay, and what we should add? Department ID is a number. Okay. Now tell me where it will get added at where? Where it will get
at the end.
Okay, at the end. See the same thing. Try to execute. One more time execute, it will throw error. See, already exists. Now see this, it will be added at the last. Okay. Same thing. Suppose like I don't want this table, then what I should do? What I should do? I should use what? I should drop the table. So drop table database. You see? Now what happens? See this data, there won't be anything. So table is dropped. So does not exist. Get the point, sir? Like this, you see all the comments, like that's what you should be comfortable creating multiple database, multiple schemas, all these things. Now, one more time, try to create the same use case. So copy the same value. Okay, see table. Okay, so create one more time the same table. Now see how to see this data by using DRL, data retrieval language. So select
Language.
star from table. Okay. Now tell me how not I want to populate the data. How can you populate data by using which concept?
By insertion.
Okay, by using insert, that is what command? Say DML. That is insert into table name.
Table name.
Okay.
Values.
Bracket open. Okay, see employee ID, employee name. Okay,
Name.
now values. Okay, so this syntax you should aware. So values. So 1 comma Praveen. Tell me it work, Praveen.
It won't work.
Reason is that way?
For varchar, we need to mention in single quotes. Like
Okay, see. So
yes.
so alphabets compulsory should enclose with single quotes. Okay, see. Okay, so numbers no need. For strings we should put single quotes. Okay. Now this is now tell me how to commit data by using T's, that is transaction control is commit, so that data will be stored permanently. Now see this data we can able to get the same. Now see 2 columns, remaining columns will get null values. Okay, see by default, so there are 2 columns are there out of 2 columns. So there are 4 columns are there. Out of 4 columns, we are populating only 2 columns. So remaining value will get null values. We'll see the same thing. What is null? So okay. Get the point. So now see same thing. Now if I want to get one more record, so second record and Kumar. Okay, see 2 records. Okay, commit data. Data will be stored permanently. Now see this data. This is fine. Now suppose like if I want to modify the data, suppose like Praveen, I want to make it to here something like Hyderabad. To the existing data, how can I modify by using which concept? To the existing data, update statement. Okay, update. Okay, see table name. Tell me table name. Syntax.
Set
Set. You should know all this thing. Set
Set.
city equals to
city equal to Hyderabad.
Tell me if I exit, what will happen? What will happen?
data will update in the city
It
column.
will update
Okay,
city
see, for all the records, it will
all the
update
rows.
Hyderabad. But what happened? I want to update only specific dot. Then we'll go over where employee ID
Employee
equals
ID.
to 1. This is the filtering concept.
Yeah.
See? Okay, cross verify the same thing. Now see, filtering. Okay, so same thing. Suppose like I don't want the second record. How can I remove the second record? We should go for what concept? We should go for delete. So delete from employee tables. So make use of where class. So where employee ID equals to 2.
Equal to
2. Okay. Commit this data there so that data will be stored permanently and we can able to access. So this is filled. Okay. So DML, DRL, CRL so far. Now I'll go for one more time. So come back to our use case. Okay. I will take this value. Okay, now take the same thing. Now what happened? So see, this is the table I'm trying to create. Okay, these are the DMLs. Okay, see. So for SQL statements are completed. Now we'll go for one more topic. Okay. Now see this data. How to see this by using select star from table name. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. See, suppose like see star is nothing but all the columns and all the records. But I don't want all the columns. I want only specific columns. Then how to write the specific columns? So we can able to write the specific column. How can write? Tell me. So we can write our columns: employee ID, employee name, salary. Okay, these are the specific columns we can able to. Okay, suppose like same thing. Now go back here. Now select the department ID from employee. Now see, if you see this thing, what happened? So understand step by step. Okay, see now what happened? There are 100 2 times, 200 3 times. Now 3. Now I want to get only unique records. How to get only unique records? Which makes a what
Use
concept? Distinct keyword. Okay, so distinct. See distinct. Okay, now what happens? It will give unique records. Suppose like I want to get 300, 200, 100. How to get? I want to get 300, 200, 100. How to get? 300 top?
sorting order by
Starting is nothing but order by class. Order by department ID descending DESC. Now what happened? Instead of department ID, I want put department details. Suppose like I want put department details. Okay, then what happened? What I should put? Okay,
We
now I
should
don't
use
know which
alias.
concept?
Alias.
Column alias. Okay, there are two alias, column alias and table alias. Now, which type of alias? We go for column alias. Okay, see, column alias. Now, see what happened now, spaces are there. How can you get the spaces? You make use of what concept? Spaces?
Double quotes.
We should put in double quotation. See, like this way you can able to see now what happened. So now this is fine. Okay, so distinct keyword and column alias. Same thing now. Understand step by step. Suppose like okay, same thing. Select a star. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Suppose like I don't want all records. I want only department ID 200. Then we should go for what concept? We should go for what specific
Filtering
records?
concept.
Filtering
Filtering.
concept. Filtering concept start with this class. Start with
Where?
class. So where department ID equals to 200. Okay. So 200. Suppose like I want to do department 200 as well as 300. We should go for in or we should go for R concept. Okay. 200 comma 300. See 300. Now see the same thing. Now what happened now? I want to get only gender F. How to get gender F? Okay, see.
We'll go with the condition.
Okay, see now what happened? There are so many cards, but I want to get only male. Then we should go for what? Compulsory condition, optional condition.
And gender is equal to
And
M.
compulsory start with and gender equal to what? Gender equals to M. Suppose like if I put small m, it will work as small m.
No.
Now why?
It doesn't
Because
It will not work. Case
the reason-
sensitive.
so this is important. So data in the database is case sensitive. Okay, so sensitive. Getting the point? So see, okay, it is projecting. Now we should make it to capital M. Okay, so it is so where is compulsory? See, it is projecting 8 records. Now what happened is reducing to because it's a compulsory 5 records. Again, what 5 records reducing to 3 records. Okay, see, because it's a compulsory condition. Now suppose like I want to get only 5 and 6. Now what happened? Now we should use one more and employee ID. Okay, see, we can go for multiple condition. We go for employee ID equals to 2 or employee ID equals to 6. Get the point, sir? This is the filtering concept and sorting concept. Okay, same thing. Get the point, sir? Some same thing. Go back here one more time. Now see, this is fine. Okay. Now what happened? Now I want to get 2, 4, 5, 6, 40. I want to get in a sorting manner. How can do sorting manner? We should go for what concept? Sorting. We should go for what?
Order by.
Order by what? Order by 1. Suppose if I put 1, what will happen?
It will
Order
take
by employee ID.
first column in the table.
Okay, see, first
Ascending.
column is that what? Employed, which is what? By default, which type of what? Ascending or descending?
Ascending order.
So 2, 4, 5, 6, 40 to you. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 40. Get the point, sir? Suppose like I don't want all columns, I want only specific columns. Then we can go for specific columns. So see, employee ID. Okay, then employee. Get the point, sir? So clear suffer employee. Okay, so clear suffer. So now we'll now see. Okay. Now before that, tell me what is nulls? Nulls is what? Nulls. Null is what?
Undefined.
Null is nothing.
Undefined.
Undefined.
Or undefined or unassigned.
Unassigned.
Okay, just I'm giving overview. Okay, because already this class are completed. Okay, so okay, understand the things. Okay, see, null is nothing or undefined or no value. Okay. Now suppose like I want to filter this null record. How can I this filter null? So suppose like I want to get only these 2 records. How can I get by using which concept? Nulls.
Is null.
Nulls can be say, tell me
Employee means
and tell me before that and employee
Is null.
Employee
equal to null. It
name.
work? Equal to null.
Doesn't work.
Is null. Is
So
null.
null
It
cannot
doesn't
be
work.
compared with equal to null, not equal to null. Nulls can be compared. Null can be expressed by what concept? By using which concept? By using is null and is null. Okay, see,
Is not null.
will give the records. Suppose if I want to get other records, we'll go for is not null concept. Okay, getting the point, sir? Now see the same thing. Now this is see uppercase, small case. Now I want to convert into one case. Tell me what concept will come in picture? The string function concept. Now I want to make everything into capital case. Then everything upper function. Okay, see upper function. Okay, upper function. See upper function. Suppose like if I want to make everything to small case, so I want to give one proper name. How can the proper name? We should go for what concept?
Alias.
Alias. Which alias? Column.
Column.
Column alias.
Okay, column. Now see the same thing. Now I am giving lowercase, giving uppercase. Now we want to get the same case. Then we should make some what concept? Tell me.
Initial capital.
Okay. No, not initial. Okay. No. Heading. I want to see this is taking same value, but see it's giving uppercase. Now I want to get the same case. Then we should make some double quotation.
Double quote.
Okay. Suppose like I want to get requirement like 2 hyphen this value. Okay. Same thing 4 hyphen like this way. Okay. How to get like this value?
Concatenation.
How to club two strings? We should make some what? Concatenation pipe symbol. Okay. So just I'm giving like bit fast because we already discussed. Just I'm giving. Okay. Now how to club by using pipe symbol. Pipe or concatenate. Okay. So see. You see the value. So okay. See it is giving. But what happened? I want to get hyphens. So single quotes pipe hyphen single quote. Now like this way we can able get the point. So this way. Or else like we are having one more concept is what? That is concatenate. Okay, so concat. Okay, tell me concat, comma. Okay, see like this way. Now what happened? Which class? Okay, what is the issue? Tell me N1. Bracket open. Where is the closing bracket? We should use closing bracket. Okay, see like this way again. Get the point, sir. Suppose like I want to make first letter of variable to uppercase, then we should go for what? Go for init
cap.
Init cap. So where should we should put the init cap. Okay. So get the points the same thing. Now same value, copy the same value. Now see. Now I want to get null record. Then make use of is null. Tell me why we are getting null value. Reason. Anyone? So see, employed is there. See, copy the same value. Employee ID. Important concept. Employee name.
Oh.
Okay. See now what happened? Employee ID 5 is there, 6 is there. But what happened? We're getting null value. Reason.
Adding with null value.
Adding what adding? What is the reason? Tell me.
We are adding employee code with the
maybe in future
names.
we will.
No.
Maybe in future we will get data for that.
Present. Tell me what we are getting null. Where it null? Present. Forget about future. Present value. What we are getting null? No. We are getting null. So see. Employee ID is there 5 6. But what happened? Okay. Employee ID 5 hyphen employee ID name. We are getting null value. Reason what? Tell me reason.
Because
what
concatenation of anything with null will be null.
Okay, see what you should say. Whatever the operations performed with null, it will give what?
Null.
It will give null only. Operation in the sense like what can be arithmetic operation, okay, or concatenation or anything. Now see what happened. Now see here we are having the value 5 like this. But what happened? We are getting like this. Now how to handle null values? How can we handle null values? Tell me.
NVL.
Okay, see NVL to coils. Now what happened? Now see. Now see here. If I suppose like if I am having null value instead of null, I want to put no name. How can I put no name? Tell me. Okay, we should make some
NVL.
Bracket open, bracket close. Okay,
name.
No name.
No name.
Okay, same thing this way. Same value we should put here also. Okay, see NVL or coils. Okay, coils like this. Okay, see all the concepts should whenever do any task. No, like all the concepts should be brushed out. See now what happened? Now I'm putting no name. Okay, see what happened? So we put a no bracket. Okay, name. Same thing. Now what happened? Suppose like I don't want this value. See. Okay, so remove this. Now how to comment? This is the single line comment. Now so we'll get all the values. Okay, so get the point, sir. So remove this value. Comment single line comment. Okay, so see employee ID. So this is no name is there. Get the point, sir. It's looking good. Getting the point, sir. We can able how to club two strings which makes of either concat or pipe symbol. How to fetch the null values by using is null. How to fetch not null values which go for is not null. How to handle null values by using NVL to coils. Now I want to give column modification. We should go for what? String function. So string function. What is the string function we are having? Tell me. String functions. Okay, upper, lower, Okay, init cap, length function, okay, replace, so trim. There are so many things that we can able to make it done. Get to the point. So see, so within single example, we can able to done all the concept. That's why. So take one task and try to do all this. Okay. So one more time. Okay, so we'll go for one use case. Suppose like I open Flipkart. Simple example, Flipkart. Now what happened? So this is assume like this is Flipkart is one table. Then what happened? So if I want to see all the columns on all the records, we should go for selected star from table name. That is Flipkart. Okay, what it will do? Tell me. If I exit the statement, it is projecting all the columns on all the record. Suppose like I want to purchase phone. Which concept will come into picture? Phone. Which concept? Filtering concept. So where category equals to phone. Okay, phone. Get the points of phone. Now same thing. Now what happens? See, it is reducing to 7,000 records. Tell me, records are reducing. It's a compulsory condition, optional condition. Where? Where is compulsory, optional? Anyone? Where is compulsory, optional? Tell me. Compulsory. No, so compulsory. Records are reducing. Okay. Now what happened?
And
Okay. See. No. That's fine. Okay. Now. So my budget is what? 10,000 to 30,000. Tell me. Range of values should go for what concept? Between from 7,000 reducing to say compulsory, and so price between what? Between 10,000 and 30,000. So this is important filtering concept. Without this we can't able to do anything. Okay, see, so 2,000 records came. Again I want Samsung brand. See, 339. Again I want Samsung and Vivo. We should go for what? Okay, in condition. Okay, see, and brand. Now tell me multiple conditions. We should go for in. Okay, in Vivo, then Oppo. Okay, see, like this. Okay, see, multiple condition you can go, or we can go for R. Say 581 records came. So go back here now. Suppose like I know starting limit 50% or more. Tell me 50% or more in the sense like what? We should go for, and discount. I know starting limit, then greater than or equals to
greater than or equal
50.
to 50.
Now I want to do see 26,000. I want to sorting. How can I do sorting? We should go for what concept? We should go for order by class, order by price, ascending or descending. Okay. Tell me why rating only 28,000? Anyone? And why rating only 26,000? Tell me. Because we are asking to 10,000 to 30,000 range, and we are asking particular brand Samsung. So this is the filtering concept. Okay, filtering concept and sorting concept. Get the point, sir? Sorting concept. Same thing now. See, I am getting unique records. How to get the unique records? We should go for what concept? Unique records? Distinct keywords. So select distinct. So this is the filtering concept and sorting concept. Get the point, sir? Clear, sir? Now see, same thing. Now 26,099. Okay, see. Suppose like go back here. Okay. Now 26 in database 2699. But what is the requirement? Is that what is this requirement? They want to get like this. Tell me how to get comma separate value by using what concept? Tell me how to get comma separate value. 2 char. So 2 underscore char bracket open bracket close. Tell me. 999. Like this way. So before that they want to get rupee. How to get rupee? How to get rupee? Okay, suppose like rupees not come, we'll go for what? Okay, suppose like so rupees is there. Okay, tell me how to club two strings by using what? By using pipe symbol. We can get the point, sir. So these are the string functions, 2 char function, conversion function. Now I want to give one proper name. We should go for what concept? Okay, as a column alias a price. Column alias. Okay, like this. Okay, so see in this use case, you should pay. Okay, so one more time. So see one more time. So first Snowflake account should be there because a SaaS model, no need to install any software or any hardware. Then log in with user ID and password, or you can go for SSO, or you can go for MFA. Then what happened? How can I communicate the Snowflake with the help of SQL? So first you have development database, then schema, then try to create the tables. Table, how can you get the help of? So create, that is DDL. Then we should go for what? So DML, that is insert. Okay, that DML, sir, these are transactions. How can you control these transactions with the help of what? With the help of what?
Transaction control language.
That is commit statement. Now, how to see this data with the help of what? The RL, that is select statement. So before that, if you want to perform anything, what should it be? We should have permissions. Who leave the permissions? This DCL, that is grant.
DCL,
Grant.
grant
Okay.
revoke.
So first permissions, database, schema, table, inserting, committing, and fetching the data. Now same thing. Now suppose like I am having millions of records. I don't want millions of records. Then we should go for what concept? Specific records should go for what? What concept?
Distinct.
No, specific records. We should go for filtering concept.
Filtering.
Come back.
Filtering
Filtering
concept.
concept. So filtering concept start with what class? Start with where class.
Where
See,
class.
the select star from tabling explain come back from table. So where column 1 equals to val 1. One multiplication go for and column 2 equals to val 2. Same thing, multiple condition. Okay, column 1, column 3 between we should go for val 1 and val 2. How to do the sorting? We should go for last. We should go for order by
Ordering by
column. Okay, multiple columns we can able to perform. Okay, now tell me multiple columns in the sense like what? Tell me. So this is which is the first priority? Column 1 or column 2?
column 1.
Column 1. Assigning a
Column
descending.
1.
Okay, see filtering concept and sorting concept. Okay, now say tell me in database. Okay, now I want to do the modifications, column modifications. Okay, the column modifications we are having what? We are having string functions. What are the string functions we are having? In one upper. Tell me lower, then init cap. Then there's so many things. Tell me at least 10. Okay, string. Okay, we'll see. Okay, see. Then what happened? So replace. How to remove the spaces? By using trim function. Okay, L trim or trim. Okay, so how to extract some part of the string? Some part of string? Substr.
String.
Okay, how to find the position? By using regexp insp. Okay. Next one, date functions, number functions. We're having abs. Okay, round. So current date. Okay, how to get current date, current timestamp. Okay, then now what things we're having? Current date, current timestamp. Okay, then again what? Date add. Okay, add months. There are so many things are there. Okay, see. So we can go for undrawn function like this. We can. Okay, how do the conversions go for to underscore char function? Okay. Now tell me, I want to take a backup of the table. Tell me, how can I take a backup of this existing table?
Create table as.
What is the concept? That is CTAS concept. Okay, see.
CTAS.
Like this is my table. See, select star from the table. Okay, see, it is projecting. Now what happened? I want to create a backup table. That is, so CTAS create table. So CTAS. Okay, it's a CTAS concept. Okay, now so table has been created. Okay, okay. Now before that, what happened? Tell me what is nulls? Null is nothing but what? Null is what? Nothing. Undefined.
Nothing.
Unassigned value. Okay, now why we want to handle nulls? Why we want to handle nulls? Tell me. What is the purpose of handling nulls?
Because in future we will get the data for that particular column, so we need to hold that place. So we will
No,
use
we
null.
should not say like this. Okay, see.
Data quality.
The first one we should serve. Okay, so that is fine. But the main thing is no. So we'll whatever the operations perform with null, we will give null value. Because of it, we'll get what we'll get. So data issue. Okay, so data quality issue. Suppose like take the same use case. Select 10 plus 10. Then what happened? 20. 20 plus null. What happened? Tell me there is a future value, no future value. So what happened? What's what we'll get? We'll get
No.
value. So we should say like whatever the operations perform with null, it will give null value. This is the thing. Okay, because suppose like same thing. Now select Praveen is there. So string. So string composite enter with single quote Praveen. Okay, comma Kumar. Tell me how to club two strings with the help of pipe symbol. This is one. But what happened? I combine with null. What will happen? Tell me. It will give null only because whatever the operation performed, it will give null only. Okay. Now next step is that what I want to handle. Now I want to get Praveen Kumar. How to handle null values by using NVL to who else we can able to get. Suppose like same thing. Now if you want to know, I can go for NVL bracket close. Now what happened? I'll put single quote. Now what happened? Let Praveen Kumar will get the point. So I want to give one proper name. How can you the proper name? We should go for what concept?
Column alias.
Column alias. Okay, see column alias. So now what happened like this? Okay. Now same thing, similar fashion. Now select is there, P is there. Same thing, select is there, and R is there. Now this is what? This is one result set. This is other result set. Tell me how to club two result set. We should go for what concept? We should go for what? Result set.
Set operator.
Set operators. Okay.
Set operator.
Again, set operators are divided into what? Union,
Union all,
then intersect,
intersect,
Intersect.
and
Minus.
minus one more thing is there,
minus,
except.
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 Okay. So got the point. The same thing now. What happens? Suppose like simple use case. Go for simple use case. Select 100 union all. Select 100. What will get 100? So union all is nothing but what? So clubbing two results set. Now
Clubbing two results.
100. You'll get 2 times
100.
100. Same thing. If I go for a union, what will get union?
Only 100.
100.
Only because it. So
Only
union all
one
what it
record.
do? Clubbing. Okay. So clubbing two result sets. Clubbing two result sets. Okay, so it will have duplicate values. Okay. So what about this value union? It will have clubbing plus what extra thing it will perform? Eliminate.
Except duplicate.
What it will do?
Eliminate
It will eliminate
Eliminate
duplicates.
duplicate.
Okay, so unique eliminate duplicates. You only unique records. Unique records. Okay, so just you are trying to give the high level thing. Okay, what is this? Okay, so unique records. Okay, same thing. Now what I will give? Only 100. Okay, so what about intersect? Intersect is nothing but what you common records from the both the tables. Common both results set. We will get what? We go
100.
100 only. 100.
100.
Okay. Yeah, but common records. Common record from the both result sets. Common records. Okay, what about minus or except? Tell me. What will minus will give?
Subtract.
Minus. Minus will give what?
Subtraction.
Not subtraction.
Subtraction.
Not subtraction. Okay, what it will do? So
Which are
two
not
records,
common, uncommon records.
uncommon records from C. What happened? This record shouldn't be C. It will give records. Okay, records which are not there in the second result set. Second result set. See, see one more time. See, this record shouldn't be there. Now what happened? Now nothing will get. Suppose like when I put 200, what is what will get? 200. 200 is there here. In the second one, it is not there. Not there. Same thing. Now come back here. What about except? Except.
It's also same.
Same.
Minus
Okay. So generally, if I know, so you minus is there in Oracle database, except is there in SQL Server. So Snowflake support minus and except both are same. Now same thing. Now go back here. Now try to take the same thing. Now what happened? Now I'm putting something like Praveen. Tell me it work, Praveen. It work?
No, it won't. Data type should be same.
Okay. See. So see what is the requirement? See. Okay, numeric value is not recognized. So in the sense like what is the issue? Because so what is the rule? 1 second, give me.
Data type should be same.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, now tell me. So reason is that what is it? If I want to perform set operators, what is the rule? Rule is that tell me. Important. Same number of columns and what happened and same data type should be there. Get the point, sir? So this is important. Okay, see. So this is important. If you want to perform set operator, same number of columns and same data type should be there. Clear so far? End out yes, no, in one. Yes or no? Like this way you can able to get. Okay, suppose like same use case. Okay, select star from employee. It is projecting all the columns and all. So see the same thing. Now go for particular value. So gender is there. Okay, now what happened? Now see, in place of wherever M is there, I want put male. Wherever F is there, I want put female. Or now tell me how to handle the conditions. How can I handle the
Case
conditions?
operator.
Case.
We should go for what? We should go for case statement. Case only case, sir.
Decode statement.
And decode also.
Decode.
See, so case now remember in database something is there, but what I want to differently to the user or the client. Then we should go for case condition statement is case when tell me when. Tell me when
Equal to
gender equal to
gender equal to M.
okay, equal to M, then
male.
Okay, suppose like if I put like this now, tell me what is the output will get. So see what is output will get. Male, male, male. What about FF? What is the output? What will you get?
No output.
No output in the sense like what is no output called as? Tell me simple. Discuss it. Tell me. Tell you null value. Null value. See, male, male, because we handle only male condition. We did not handle female. Now we should go for one more when condition. So when gender equal to F, then female. Okay, see, female. Okay, see, there is suffer like this. So now how to get the column heading? We should go for what concept? Column alias. Same thing. Now how can you go for decode? Remember decode at least. So these are important. Okay, so case and decode. Tell me syntax for decode.
Decode,
Okay.
gender,
Gender, comma,
n,
Comma M comma
n,
yes, equal
comma,
to M.
male.
male.
Now suppose if I write this, now what is output get? Male, male, male. What about FF?
Null.
Null will get null. Okay, so null. Okay, same thing. Suppose if I put female, then it will work. A female.
Then also
No.
null.
Null. Why null?
Null.
What decode syntax?
Because we are not equating to F.
Now, if you're not equating, what is the value? This is what last value is what. This is the else part. Else part. Else part. You what? Tell me, female will come. It will come female. Get the point. So this is okay. See key value. So this is else part. So when I remove this, what happen? You get null value. Null value. Suppose like when I put single quote, now what happen? You get NA for all. This is the else part. Okay, so that's what. Okay, we're getting confused the case and decode, but these are very, very important with that because so conditions compulsory we should handle. How can you handle the condition? We should go for what? We should go for case and decode function. Okay, so for example. So concept you should aware. Okay, so you are getting confused with this case and decode. Okay, so I'll say see now what happens. See case when gender equal to M, then male. Gender equal to F, then female. So else not specified. Same thing is gender. So key value. This is the else part. Same as this thing. Same as this thing. So get to the point, sir. So this is else. Okay, see this is the else part. If I remove this, what happen? You get null value. But when I put like this, now what happen? You get the value like this. Clear, suffer? So see. Like this, it should be clear. Okay, so database name, schema name, the object. So suppose like refresh the same thing, go for any object. Okay, so go for here. Okay, see data load DB schema. There are multiple objects. So tables, views, stages, file format. So these things you'll see in Snowflake. Okay, as of now, understand the tables. Okay, see these are the values. Now tell me how to create incremented values in Snowflake. Incremented values. We should go for what concept?
Sequence.
The sequence concept. So create sequence name. So what's the sequence name? You can go for what? Okay, anything sequence name. Tell me how to access the sequence by using select and sequence name dot
Sequence name dot next val.
Next val. So it will give first it will give one, next it will give one incremented values we can input. See, remember ultimately what? Okay, see once again. Okay, I'll show the thing. Okay, see the value. So see this SQL should be completed. Okay, see. So this part. Okay. So as of now, what we discuss? Okay, we discuss. So database for OLTP data transaction. So database say so OLAP. Now tell me Snowflake is a database or data warehouse? Say. Tell me.
Data warehouse.
Data warehouse. Cloud-based data warehouse mainly for data storing, data processing, and data analysis. Now, how can you communicate with the help of this SQL statements? Okay, again, extension statements are divided into what? These are divided into DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, and DCL. Okay. Now tell me, suppose like suppose like there are millions of records are there. I don't want millions of records. Then filtering concept will start with class. Start with where class. So where and are in between greater than less than greater than equal to less than equal to then what happened? At last we should go for what? We should go for what concept? Sorting. How can do sorting? We should go for what? Sorting. Go for order by columns. One column to multi columns it will support. Okay, so multi column support. Okay. Now what happened now? Next step is that string functions, number functions, date function. Then we should go for set operators. Okay, set operators are again into what? Set operators union, union intersect, minus, except. Now tell me what is null? Null is nothing but what? It's a null is nothing, or undefined, or unassigned. Now tell me why we need to handle null values. Null values. Tell me why you want to handle null values because. Tell me.
Operations will not.
Okay, what are the operation performed with null? It will give null values only. Null values. Again, you see alias. What is alias concept? What is alias concept? It will give one proper name or temporary name. Okay. Same thing. Now, what is the purpose of distinct? It will give unique records. Again, what is the regexp regular expression we have covered so far? Regexp count, regexp regexp instinct function we have.
Pattern match.
Now, how to handle null values? Null values. How to handle null values?
NVL,
NVL2 coils. How to extract null values?
Sir, can you explain about
Null
the regular?
and is not null again.
Where is this?
Okay, how can you handle a conditional statement? We go for case and decode function. We can see like this. We can see.
Sir, can you
First
explain
create
about the
Snowflake
regular
account.
expressions once?
Okay, Snowflake account, that is SaaS model. Create development database, development keyword, create as many tables, insert as many records, do the filtering concept with the help of where and in or limit top like this, and ultimately do the sorting, that is order by. Then perform like string function, upper function, limit, upper function, lower, init, cap, replace, substring, padding. How can I do the padding? How can I do the masking concept? In one masking, how can I do? Masking by using what? LPAD and RPAD concept. How to extract some parts? We should go for substr function. You see substr. So like this way we can able to clear. So for yes or no? So set outputs. Okay, again set outputs like union. Okay, so case decode. What is the purpose of case and decode? Tell me. Case and decode. It's a conditional statement. Now same thing. Suppose like Praveen is there. Now I want to find. So Praveen is there. I want to extract how many number of occurrences of it. Tell me how can I get the occurrences? We should go for n1 in a day. I want to get output as 2. How to get number of is regexp.
First, yeah.
Regexp. See, regexp count returns the number of times that a pattern occurs in a string. Okay, see regexp count. So we should go for Praveen. Okay, now we should put E. Now how many records will you? It will give what? It will give 2. Suppose like same thing. Now I put small e. Now tell me 2 records or 2 will come or 3 will come? 3, 2 or 3?
2 records.
2 because okay, data and database is case sensitive. Now I want to get 3. How to get 3?
First convert it entire to upper.
Enter string into upper function. Okay, same thing now. Same thing now. Suppose I go back here. Now Praveen is there. Okay, now I want to find position of A. How to get the position of A? In Snowflake, we should go for regexp. Tell me position. Tell me, forget in string. Okay, see, return the position of character. So Praveen. Tell me position of A is what? It is what?
3.
So in Snowflake numbering start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it will what? It will be 3. 3. Same thing. Now go back here. Now suppose like position of E. Then it is 5. Suppose like I want to find the second occurrences of E. How to find the second occurrence of E? We should go for what? Tell me, comma 1, 2. Okay, so remember 1, suppose like if I want to get small e 1, 3, it will be what? It will be 0, 0. Now suppose like if I want to make, we should convert everything to capital case, that is upper. Okay, so regexp instinct will give the position of the particular character. Get the point a little bit. I want to give one name. So this is important. So ultimately what? So before going to Snowflake, you should understand this database, data warehouse. So SQL statements, filtering and sorting, then string functions. So alias, so see almost like 50% of SQL is completed. Okay, let's get to the point. Now we'll see like later next week, we'll see this aggregate function, analytical function. Get the point. We should be whatever discussed, what are the tasks now for each and everything. See what happened. So I'm giving the task, okay, but nobody is doing anything. Okay, so okay, see the same thing. Now what happened? So this task you should do. Okay, so case suppose if I go for case statement, so there are multiple conditions as the case statement. Okay, so see this value, we can able to have this thing. Now tell me in database. So see 200 seats, 200 seat. I want put bus is full. So when total seats, so these are same. I need to get. Now how can handle this type of conditions in SQL? We should go for what? Case. So case when total seats equal to seats full, then bus is full. When total seats greater than seats, so this is seats available. When total seats less than seats, so it's overbooked. Okay, like this way we can able to. You get the point, sir? Like this way, okay. Conditions we should handle. Okay, so conditions are very, but you are getting confused with the conditional statement. Same use case. Now go back here. Now tell me. So see, in database, male is there, but they want to in the target, they want to get 1. In male, female, they want to put 0. In null, they want to put dollar symbol. Then how to get? How to get? In database, something is there.
Case.
We should go for case or decode function. Now tell me, case when
Decode.
gender equal to male, then 1. Gender equal to female, then 0. Tell me how to handle null values. Null values?
NVL.
No, not NVL. Okay, see how in the case statement.
Is null.
Okay, when gender is null, then dollar. Okay, once we can go for NVL, but we are using a case statement. Case when gender equal to male, then 1. Then when gender equal to female, then 0. When gender is null, then dollar. So clear so far? End of session 1.